When you are using Thinkorswim to do some stock trading to see the timeline, you will see the time is not updating properly. So you might feel that the time is wrong, but it's not like that. So check carefully here the system time, that means the computer time, it has 10:55 a.m. and here also it is showing 10:55 a.m. But if you check the like this timeline graph, you'll see that it is not updating properly. It is updating but the time is different. So here it's 10:55, here is 9:55, almost like that. Okay, you can check here the time is updating here, this area. So if I move up my cursor over here, you see 9:56 a.m. where it is 10:55. So this type of thing, actually the main reason for this issue is the time zone issue. So let's see how we can fix it. To fix this thing, at first we need to come this trade section and active trader, this section, and then there is settings. We just need to click here this gear icon. So here you see the gear icon is there. We just need to click here and then this will bring this type of window. From here we have to come to general section. This is the general tab. There are a couple of tabs are there. We just need to click general, and then here you will see time zone, and the time zone is there. We need to click here, or you can click anywhere in this box and it will bring this type of options. So we have to scroll. So I'm going to use New York time zone. So I'm going to click here and then it will set local time GMT, New York Eastern time zone, basically like that. And now we can press the OK button to apply these settings and close this window. I'm going to press this OK button, and very shortly you will see everything is updated. So here 10:56. So now here is also 10:56. You can check here the time is updating. So here see 10:56 is updating. And that's it. In this way we can easily fix the time zone issue instantly in Thinkorswim.